Hey guys, today, let's come back to another video. So today we're going to teach you guys how to get more talented. So let's get started. So today we're going to get some of this. Let's squeeze it. So all you do is you have to squeeze it. And then you get the paintbrush. Get the nice detail brush, and then you do this. This is actually a beautiful painting to make for the end of winter. This is actually a beautiful thing to do. How you add it, so you do this, you do that, and then you get this. More of the lines even better, and then that's it. And then you could just write something on it like winter or whatever. Let's make it look more winter like Trish. So just like winter. Add white for snow. Even if it's not really snow, you just have to, try your best. Make it look as nice as you possibly can. It doesn't have to be too nice, just, a nice thing for showing when spring comes. What is spring? Like, beautiful for its flowers. Art's subjective. Some people like it, some people like it. No matter what it looks, even if someone wants to do it. It's not about just making you feel special. Art's subjective, right? Art's subjective. So that comes with the border. When winter breaks up, spring comes, right? And then boom, spring and then winter. So that's it. And then maybe, we could do something like, I have to write spring and winter. So black is something that's going to cover all the colors, so, that's going to cover and make writing. So we're not going to cover the actual paint. I don't mean that. So anyways, winter. Spring. And that's it. We got everything done. And then that's it. Spring. And then that's it. We got everything done. Control guys didn't have too much room anyways. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe. Hope you guys liked this video, and bye.